Summer wedding season is finally here, you guys. If your group chat is also blowing up with the "please help me, what are you wearing to this?" don't worry, we got you covered. We are gonna show you 6 looks fully styled out. You'll be able to just add all of these to your cart immediately, and you're not even gonna have to think about the packing situation. Whether it's an outdoor reception, cocktail hour, or a destination, we got you covered. Let's get started. This is Cushy, our incredible model for the day. She is wearing a size small and she's 5'8", so keep that in mind as we're showing you these dresses. She is in our utterly attractive dress. Plug that into the search bar, it'll bring you right to this. I love the way that it has this mesh cutout here. It's a little sexy without being super revealing, and this is perfect for like cocktail hour, welcome brunch, any occasion before the actual wedding. You need to have this dress. I have this paired with some high-heeled sandals, and I tied in the orange with the little jewels at the bottom. I also paired it with gold accessories. I paired it with this clutch also. It's a little bit more rattan, that natural texture, so if you do have a destination wedding or you wanna just keep that summer vibe alive, pair it with this. It ties in the raffia also in the sandals, and I'm obsessed with this look. This is our second dress. It's called our Maven maxi dress. This gorgeous butter yellow. Butter yellow is our favorite trend. It's been here year after year, therefore, it's now timeless. This butter yellow is also so flattering on summer skin. You have to see the back of this dress. It has this really gentle cowl, so you get a blend of that gentleness with a little bit of sexy, and it does have this adjustable back strap, so you can adjust it to whatever feels the most comfortable for you. I also have it paired with gold accessories again, with this beaded bag with some little purple tones. Purple and yellow is so good together, and it just adds another pop of color for any summer occasion. The slit on this dress helps you show off any shoe you want. I did pair it with these gold lace-ups, and I think it adds a nice little detail too, so that every part of you throughout the day can have a little bit of attention. This is a great wedding guest dress, or if you're part of the bridal party, this should be your selection. Next up, we have our Kazi maxi dress. This royal blue is so flattering on any skin tone, especially with a tan. It just makes everything pop so much. I'm obsessed with this color. The back of this dress, hold on. I love the dramatic flair of the tie. And then you get this little scrunching going on back here. I love when any dress has a back detail, and the fact that this one has basically 3, and it's one of my favorite colors. This dress is going in my cart right now, and I'm wearing this to breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I have this dress paired with silver accessories. You can honestly do gold, and I'm really into mixing metals right now, so gold and silver, you can mix it, match it, do whatever you want. However, I do have it paired with silver. We have these gorgeous sandals, and I paired it with some silver hoops as well. And I feel like it just ties everything in without being too distracting, because the dress itself already is such a statement. We're gonna be walking you through 3 dresses that you should definitely pack if you are going to a wedding at a tropical destination, because these are gonna be perfect for every single one of those like wedding occasions that you have. I know some people do like pool parties, or if you're just lounging around waiting for the main event, we got you covered. This is our Molly crochet cover-up. We are obsessed with crochet this summer in tops, bottoms, and you get it in a dress now. These colors are so perfect for summer too. You can mix and match with accessories. We have her paired with dark brown accessories right now. Feel free to add a pop of color with those as well. But I find that these are just so grounding to the dress. It really helps bring out all the colors. Again, we have gold accessories. Gold and summer are just, they're like this. There's a gold detail everywhere you look, literally from head to toe. We have sunglasses, we have gold hoops, gold bangles, even the clutch has a little touch of gold stripes, and these little tropical colors are perfect for summer. I love the neckline on this dress. There's nothing better or easier than a halter top. You just tie it on and you're out the door. This is perfect for a pool party or just perfect enough to lounge in. It's so comfortable. second dress, it's our Divinely Blooming midi dress. I am obsessed with how this is the perfect blend of sweet and flirty. These florals are also so good for any like welcome dinner, if you're doing a brunch, if you're getting drinks, like cocktail hour. This dress is so perfect for that. You can move around in it freely and you just want to dance all night in this. Love the asymmetry happening pretty much everywhere. The one shoulder, so sweet, and paired with this like flutter along the hemline, perfect for dancing all night. The movement in this dress is so good. And the material of this too, if you are going somewhere like warm, tropical, this is gonna be so cooling and refreshing on your skin. I have it paired with white heels. You can also add like a red or a purple for a pop of color to really bring in the florals. I am obsessed with this. All you need is a little hoop and you're ready for the night. Last but not least, we have this Valestra swim cover up. Guys, I'm obsessed with this color. I'm a broken record with this one. This is a vacation must-have, and it will not wrinkle in your suitcase. We also have it paired with this straw bag. You can throw all your beach essentials in it. I have it paired with this white bikini, and it's so nice because you do get a peek of that, so keep in mind what you're gonna wear under this. I love this open back detailing, and we added these beads in here too to really nail that vacation vibe. I have it paired with navy sandals to really bring out the color of the dress. These are mixed metal earrings. They're gold and silver, so feel free to play with any of your accessories. You can do gold, silver, or both. I love this vintage inspired silhouette too with the sleeves. The drama of this is so good. I'm obsessed with this dress. This is not just your average swim cover up. You can wear this from the beach to the bar. Throw a little pair of heels on and you are good to go and yap with all your friends. Let me know where you're going this summer and which dress you're wearing to those events. If you want more styles for anything on your calendar this summer, stay tuned. There's so much more for you.